Hello everyone, this is Amer. I'm from Ant Media, and today we are going to discuss about Media Push plugin. What is Media Push plugin? Media Push plugin is a tool that is developed by Ant Media, which helps you in recording and streaming advanced cases such as conference call or any games, or even for that matter a simple web page. You can live stream it, you can record that page, and you can also restream that particular web page into any other destination that accepts that web page. So let's jump in and understand how does Media Push work. So basically, Media Push opens up an headless Chrome browser on the server where it is installed, and it uses a REST method to share the URL into that browser, and it opens up that particular whatever it is. It's a browser, or it may be a other stream from Ant Media, or it can be anything. It just opens up on that browser, and if you have the desire to record it, you can do that. So when the request is received on the server side, the Chrome tab opens up this particular URL and loads it. And as soon as it is loaded, you'll be able to see it and you can record it too. So this is how the Media Push plugin works. So it involves three simple things. First thing is the broadcast URL. So basically you are broadcasting the Media Push using a URL. This is done via an API, which I'll show you going forward in the video. Then if needed, you can record all the activities that are happening on that particular URL, and then you can watch it on the server dashboard as well. If you want, you can play it back using HLS Dash or CMAF. And let's jump right into it, and I'll show you how you can install a Media Push plugin on your server. I already have started a server, and Media Push plugin is already installed on this particular server. So let me connect to the server first. Give me a quick moment. I'll just get the SSH. So let's clear this. I'll connect to my server. Yes. Okay, I'm in my server. Let me just show you. So once Media Push plugin is installed on your server, you should see something like this plugin, which should show up, which says install media push plugin.sh. This is a script. Basically, it runs on your server. So that is what you do. You install the Media Push plugin using this command. So this is for the sake of showing it to you. So basically it installs the Media Push plugin from this particular page. It gets it and also sets the permissions in the right way to be able to run it on the Ant Media server. Then you go ahead with sudo installation. So you install that particular script, set the right permissions, and restart the server. So once this is done, Media Push is ready to use on your server. So next thing is, how do you use Media Push? So the server that I've started is this. So I'm just pushing one test, one test stream to this server. This is just a blank page. This is coming from my phone, where I'm just sending this feed into this. It's a live feed. So I'll show you how you can, broadcast this live stream using Media Push and also record it. So let's do it. So now let's go back to the terminal. So I'll show you. So we have the start command. So basically it is telling this is my Ant Media server, AMS, Cloud Live Media, Media Push Start, AMS. And inside the URL part, whatever the URL to record, I am putting the live stream that is actually running on my server. This is the live stream that is running on the server, and you decide the width and height of your stream. So now let's go ahead here. The output will be like success equal to true, data ID, and Media Push test is our data, which basically is the stream ID. And now you should be able to see this on our media server. Now you should see Media Push test here. And when you play it, you will be seeing the stream that is going on at the bottom, like the one which I showed you earlier. You see this? Now we are streaming that particular URL here. And there are simple ways to start and stop it. Now you see how it is started. And you can actually start an MP4 or recording on this. Like I told you, you can record Media Push streams. And once you stop the stream, that will be saved into your video section, VOD section. So I'll just stop it, and you should see a new media recorded stream here. Okay, it might take a couple of minutes doing that. Let's just stop it. And the other way is you can actually record it using an API as well. That is the simpler way. But if you are someone into programming and you want to record your stream via using the API, you can do it too. It's just a simple API which is in our documentation too. So now I'll go ahead and stop them. So now the Media Push is stopped and the stream is gone. So let's check now. You see there are two recorded streams that are done. So this is how you use Media Push to start, record, as well as publish a stream into Ant Media server using Media Push plugin. And in the next video, we'll talk about how you can record a conference call using Ant Media. Thank you for watching.